For this Christmas in July, let's turn trash into treasure. In today's DIY projects, we're recycling bottles and thrifted finds into stunning Christmas decor. Welcome to the Chic Show. This is a 2-for-1 in this one. I'm using this olive oil jar that I rinsed out that was my own and cleaned it up. And then I'm using this red glass cup that I did thrift. After cleaning both of these pieces very well, I'm using 2 of the rub-on transfers from the Yuletide rub-on transfer book from IOD's Christmas release. It's always a good idea to use the backing piece to burnish the rub-on transfer down to your surface. I thought this red glass mug just screamed Christmas. I think it's very cute. And the addition of this little holly berry rub-on transfer just finishes it off perfectly. Normally you do want to seal your transfers to your surface, but for glass I typically don't do that, but I am using a little bit of Jolie's clear wax to rub over the top of it because I felt like I could clean that off the glass around the transfer. For the next project, I have a set of 2 ornaments. These are these little glass pumpkin-looking jars from Dollar Tree, and I'm using some of this wire. So I'm going to remove that twine from the top of each of the jars, and one of the jars will get a coat of Waverly Plaster Chalk Paint. I did give this jar a coat of clear spray paint so that the chalk paint would adhere to the glass a little bit better. Once the paint has dried, I'm going back with a baby wipe and I'm just going to remove the paint on all of those ridges. Now I'm using some of that floral wire to make a hanger for the top. For the other jar, I just added a wire hanger to the top and I added some wood beads. I'm going to embellish the top of each of the ornaments with some red berries. The opening is not large enough for a tea light to go down into, but there are some fairy lights you can order on Amazon that are small enough to fit down in here. This project, I'll be using this red thrifted bottle and the IOD Transfers Candy Cane Cottage. I'm going to be using this jolly old elf right here. So I'm going to make sure that that bottle is clean and dry, and I'm going to apply my transfer using the transfer tool. You really cannot get any easier than this project. He is so cute that this bottle doesn't need anything else. As the bottle is tapered at the top, I did go in and make some cuts with my scissors so that I could adhere that transfer down a little more easily. Now, how cute is this? I simply love it. He would be really cute on a green bottle as well. I hope you've enjoyed today's Christmas in July video. Let me know what you think in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch another video, I suggest this one right here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.